This week we're continuing our Mae Charleston series, and we added on first with a review of some of what we did last week, and then additions to that. Last week we worked on these little pop-outs with a little bit of styling. Hey, hey, hey. This week we added little transitions. What we did on that is we sped up the time. Instead of changing weight and making steps on every 2 beats, we had the ladies do it faster on 7-8-1. So 6-7-8-1. That's our transition. Then we played with this for a little while, getting used to how we need to keep these arms loose so that it's comfortable for both lead and follow. The guys create a shelf for the ladies to rest their arms on there and keep them at her hip level and keep them in front of her so that she's never too far back. The guys are not stretching too far out there. And we also want our shapes to be complementary, like a cookie cutter, so that they fit together and we can move without stepping on each other, all right? So we play with that, and we also played with a fun little exit out of this that was fa, ba, ba. So that's easy. We just hit on those points. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.